Hey guys, just on a 50k phase 1 prop firm challenge, currently up 2% profit for phase 1 and in a live trade right now. Excuse me. Yeah, just currently in a live trade right now. Got this trade, we are in a tiny bit of little profit, but if I just go to the smaller time frame and just it's only 10 pips on GG. So, but pretty confident. As you can see, these levels of support created here, support here, support here. So I've taken this entry after this wick rejection. Now the trade can still go against me, of course it can, but just before we carry on, if you just look at this, in case anyone's wondering, oh yeah, just maybe a demo account or anything like that, this is with funding pips and it's a 50k account with I'm not I'm not trying to hide anything, guys. It is what it is. 51k, currently up 2%. Just need another 3,000, which is 6%. So I've got only took one trade, and before I got gained 2%. I thought I'd be done before the day, but I just seen another opportunity, so I took it. So see how this one goes. I am currently looking for altogether 6% for this trade in profit. Now if I go down to the reason for the entry, just one moment. Okay, now let's simplify this, right? If I remove this indicator as well, now if I go to the bigger time frame, okay, now obviously we've got let me just move this out of the way. Now obviously we've got levels of rejections here, so I know this is a this is a key area, right? Now look at this huge bullish candle formed here. Well, it's not formed yet, it's still going, but it'll be formed in 15 minutes. Now even if I was to go on the 1 hour time frame, look at this huge bullish candle formed here. So this, if I even draw the levels here, right, if I draw it about here, right, and if I get the psychological key level and I put that around 400, should we call it, right? Okay, price came up, came down, right, closed above and then shot back down. Now if you look at these wicks, rejection, got about 5-6 rejections here, then price broke above, came back down to retest and then shot back up. Now okay, that's this little sequence that happened here. Then price came down, broke, shot back up and came down, came up a little and just tanked. Now price came up here, as you can see the bullish candle, price is going higher, so as we like 150 now, but obviously I'm looking for about 6%. Whether I get it or not, it's all good, and so we got this rejections here. Price fell through, came back up to retest and then just tanked again to the bottom. Now if I just remove this as well, but sometimes this trading view lags, I don't know why, I don't know what happens with it. So okay, then we got this level here, 188.400. This bullish candle closed above. So if I was to even look at this support area and resistance area, right, look at this, guys, rejections. So this is a lot cleaner for me. So if I draw this, price came up, came a little bit down, right, came a little bit down, and now it's heading up. How high will it go? We don't know, but what I'm looking for is, look at this, guys, if it comes up here, so now let me draw this arrow thing. Price, remember, price came down, broke up, right, broke the previous, if you look at this areas, key areas here with our rejection in the past, came up, now it's come back down and now it's heading up towards the next zone. Now what am I looking for here? If it gives me some entry patterns, meaning if rejection patterns, and price does not respect this area and it starts coming back down, I'm going to end the trade. But if it breaks above, right, if it breaks above, what I'm going to do is I'll take another entry, a double entry. Once it comes here and it starts bouncing like this, showing me good entry patterns, and then I'm going to I'll just hold the trade. If it does nothing like that, now remember this, guys, never get scared if price comes back down like this, because what price will do normally, what it likes to do is, if I show you, I want to give an example on a different candlestick pattern though. How can I quickly draw this? Right, okay, let's just say this is a, you know, a bullish candle, right? And but let's put it in my color pattern, right? So that's my bullish candle. Let me draw, let's just say one wick here. Obviously wicks don't be yellow. And let's just say the wick here as well. Now let's say, imagine the next candle is forming, right? And while it's forming, it's doing this. Now my bearish candles, they normally be black. So let's say, right, okay, now we've got this candlestick pattern here, right? Actually, I don't really like this one. Actually, that's what we'll do is, let me delete the wick at the top. So now this is a stronger, right, a strong buy signal, no wick at the top. So this is like a shooting star. Imagine this is a support level, this candle is formed. So imagine this you know, the candle is falling down here, and you're like, oh no, you know, price is turning against me. No, what price normally likes to do is, it likes to create wicks, right? And what it does is, once it creates, you know, once it comes down like this, it might just bounce back up, do something like this, and then what you'll have is this, right? So now this is a weak. So if price would have come down here, and you would have been like, oh no, you know, the market's gonna go against me, I took a buy, but then like I just showed, it'll come down and then it'll just finish like this. That's why you always wait for the candles patterns to finish, always, guys. Now example here, if you look at this now, I'm in minus 200. Like I said, guys, if we lose the trade, happy days, doesn't really matter, because we got, you know, markets are always there. Now okay, if I show you, if I go back to, if I just remove all this, if I remove this, get rid of the wicks. Now okay, remember this is a 2 hour, no sorry, on the 4 hour time frame, you know, bullish candle, right? It can still go against me, anything can happen, right? So we've got 10 minutes for this candle to close. Now remember I said it wants to come down here, right? It wants to come down here to retest this area. So don't always think, oh no, you know, price has gone up there, or no, I don't know what to do. Maybe it's, you know, oh yeah, I'm gonna go for a sell, because, well, this is a resistance level, yes, you know, it is a resistance level, but the fact that it's not, the price doesn't really, it depends how you backtest as well. It's come, look, it's turned bullish now. So we just gotta wait for, you know, be patient, let price do its thing, give it time, not rush things. Price comes up, comes back down, right? We need to wait for it. It might not even retest, it might just carry on going, but most cases, 89% of the time it will retest. It's coming down, so, you know, have patience. You know, you gotta have belief in your analysis, and that's why risk an amount where you know you don't get your heartbeat racing. You gotta be, you know, like look, okay, in 8 minutes this candle's gonna close. If this closes like this, equal highs, you know, then it's like, okay, this is a nice, you know, resistance level. But I'm on the 15-minute time frame. On the 30-minute time frame, bit of a tug of war going on, you know. Are the buyer stronger or are the seller stronger? We'll find out soon. But just because this is, you know, getting created, doesn't matter. This candle is looking like this right now, but with its wick rejection. But after 8 minutes, 7 minutes, you never know, it might just close as a, you know, big bullish candle. So patience is key, guys, always remember this. So like I said, what am I waiting for? I'm expecting price to come down to this 400 level, and then, you know, depending, it might even just do this, break through and just retest, whatever, go straight down, or come down, retest, go up, you know, and then come back down to retest, and then go up here. Or you might just even touch that and come back down. So you never know what price will do. You just gotta be patient. Look, starting to be a bullish candle again. So first it was on, look, it was on negative 200, now it's on negative 9. It almost went into profit then. Okay, see, so okay, now it is in profit. So you just gotta let price do its thing, and have patience. I hope this video is helpful. I want to keep this video nice, short and simple, just for, you know, don't want to waste too much time of your guys. But if you found any value in this video, hit that like and subscribe, and as always, take care. I'm out.